Mike J on the beat, on some new shit. www.holdup.com.
Slow it down. See what we reppin' now town. Come slow it down. Nappy City has people sleeping at the stop sign. Yeah, turn up, slow it down. Slow it down.
Yeah, give me a sip so I can slow it down. Yeah, and I'm sitting on the top, no going down. Because I came here for the crown. I'm loving, yeah, you never see me with a frown. No, I'm jazzing, yeah. Woke up in the morning, looked up in the mirror, saying I'ma go make a motherfucking meal. Yeah, and I know I'm not joking because I told you that every time I smoke, I'm the potent. Yeah, the raps come out of my head, they come out in the verses. You know that I ain't never saying I'm happy, but it's like a cursive. But you know I be writing, yeah, but never writing cursive, cause I want you guys to read my name when I fucking sign it.
Yeah, this game is a curse. My verse leaves niggas in the hearses. Yeah, and I do this to merch it, not work it. Yeah, cause I always want my money. I always need this time, and I got endless time, nigga. So I'm rapping on my rhyme. Yeah, going to the top of the game, that's what I rap. Cause I never stop stepping, and to you I always step. If you really wanna get fucked up, then bump. Yeah, leave your head in the fucking trunk, let it bump. Slow it up. Slow it up. Just slow it up.
www.mikejbeats.com.
Slow it down.
Hold up.
Just slow it down.
I prefer it.
Slow it down.
Yeah.
Slow it down. Turn the volume up and slow it down.
Yeah, I prefer codeine, and when I sleep so good, cause of that lean in my system. You know I ain't stressing, but I'm getting with your sister, cause you know that I ain't blessing, but yes, it's a curse, no blessing. That means you say I look like the motherfucking king, and if I say it once, I fucked up on the beat, so speak, guess what, I don't give a fuck, because I be fucking leading the club, everything slowed up, because I sang inside the windows, hey, I don't give a fuck.
Slow it down.
You know that I be fucking twisted, they tell me slow it down, or else I will come a missing, but guess what, man, I ain't twisted, the pistol's what I'm ripping, and if you coming back, and the drink is what I'm sipping.
Slow it down, make my voice real loud, cause I'm coming in so proud, I slow down with the beat, yeah, you know I'm going slow now, but I don't give a fuck, cause I'm sipping on this flow now, yeah, I murder the fucking beat coming from the streets. If you really wanna see what I be about, I'm middle day in this bitch, and you won't see what I'm really about, cause I am in the clouds, and you never coming around, too hot for them fake niggas, so back down. Slow it up. Slow it up. Just slow it up.
www.mikejbeats.com.
Yeah. Slow it down. Slow it down. Yeah. Hold up. Slow it up. Slurping like a Slurpee, always getting in and hurt, but I don't have them fucking herpes like your hoe, so you better back down, bro. Coming POE, child warrior, reppin' bow, bro.
Styrofoam cups.
A little bit of that lean. I was smoking back when